It's got a nice ring to it, 2025. Is 2025 going to be a big year for you guys? Are you going to start that business? Are you going to quit smoking? Are you finally going to go traveling? Are you going to get the best out of your year? I think it's very good to set targets. I know it's very cliche, like all New Year's resolution, but I think everyone wants to be better and do better, but unless you've got something to work towards, it's very easy to fall off track and start getting in a downward spiral. But if you set some targets, it keeps you motivated, it keeps you pushing towards your goals and keeping you on the right track. You don't wake up every day motivated, wanting to better yourself. There's times where you wake up and don't want to do anything. But if you've got goals to work towards and you've got something you want to achieve, you know on days you don't want to do it, you start powering through. And honestly, most of the time, starting is the hardest bit. Like, there's days I wake up and I don't want to record a video, and then within like 5 minutes of filming, I can't stop. I think it's similar to going to the gym, you know. You don't want to start, but then once you start, you can't stop. Like, you literally don't want to stop being productive. So that's my advice to you guys. As a 25-year-old that knows so much about the world, that is my advice to you guys. Set some targets, have something to work towards, and comment them below.